Hi guys, RETROCENGO here, back with another pinball talk video. In this episode we're gonna take a quick look at the next pinball machine from Pinball Brothers. I mean, how lucky are we? 3 days ago Pinball Brothers released Alien LV, and today, 3 minutes ago, we got the Queen Pinball. That's just great news. 2 games in 1 week. So let's just take a closer look at this Queen Pinball machine, because again, 3 minutes ago a picture popped up. So we have one picture to look at and analyze and get first impression of, and that's about it. So yeah, this is the world premiere release of the Pinball Brothers next pinball machine. Let's take a look together. Yeah! Ta-da! Don't remember their songs, but yeah! Queen Pinball Machine from Pinball Brothers. Isn't this just great? World premiere, guys. Beautiful stuff. Let's take a quick look. We have got this picture. I'm sure there will come 2, 3, 4 more pictures, but as of right now, this is the only one. So let's start with the artwork here at the back glass. It has 2 colors. It's orange and yellow. Isn't that great? And this is Freddie Mercury or something like that. I know one of their songs from Wayne's World. That's about it. I don't know the other guys, but it's hilarious how ugly this back box artwork is. But maybe it's from a, I don't know, art cover or something like that. So if you're thinking, what is this? This is a lock system, just like on the Alien pinball. So you put a key in here, and on the Alien you don't have nothing to lift this with. So you have to either set your whole hand on the plexiglass and lift it up and have fingerprints all over the place, or you could also choose to use these 2 holes where you have the speakers. You will just put your fingers in there and lift the back box up. That's the way you can take it out. I've been asked so many times on the Alien videos. Now you know. So this is how we open the back boxes. Yeah, the artwork, nothing more to say about that. And this the same shit continues here. Orange and yellow and Queen. We have got chrome legs. That's it. And let's take a look at this apron. Isn't that just powerful? 80s hyper jump lights down here. Nice. And the same artwork continues at these inner side blades. Maybe they're lit up. I'm not sure. One picture. They use these really nice plexi plastic stuff they also use on the Alien SV version, which lights everything around it up. I love it. All pinball machines should have stuff like that. They use it down here also, as I can see here. Great stuff. And down here, wow, like that. So what do we have got? We have got, of course, 2 flippers down here, slingshots. We have got 4 drop-down targets, a spinner here, a spinner here, a middle ramp shot that maybe feeds a upper right upper play field here with the extra flipper up here, a 3rd flipper. I don't know if we have a 4th flipper down here, but I think this game will be fun to shoot. Shot, 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 drop down target shot there, and shot, and a orbit shot, and some sort of drop down target here also. Maybe you have to shoot that down and shoot something, and the ball will pop up here to the upper play field. So it looks simple, but maybe we have got some sort of mechanical marvel here. Don't know. Maybe we have got some magnets down there. You will collect 4 of them and get to final mode, something like that. I'm just guessing, guys. And 4 something else down here. Yeah, I'm just gonna say I'm happy. Another pinball machine released to the world. This is a world premiere. Look at this, guys. Isn't it just beautiful? Same size display that they use on the Alien pinball machine. Am I gonna buy it if it costs 5,000 euros? No, because theme is really important for me. Audio part is really important for me, and I'm not gonna listen to Queen music while playing pinball. It's nothing for me. But for you all Queen people that likes Queen music, this must be great news, man. Wow. Nice. I hope they will make some more music pins, because music pins are awesome to play. Just play Iron Maiden, then you'll know what I mean. Yeah, guys. Yeah, Pinball Brothers, congratulations, guys. Another pinball machine. And this is this is your standard. This is how you make a world release. So I'm not gonna say nothing about that. Beautiful stuff. Congratulations, guys. Yeah, that's about it. I'm looking forward to some videos and more detailed info. What a great week, man. What a great week. Maybe we'll have some more games later this week. I don't know. Maybe CGC will come with something. Great stuff, man. Great stuff. Thank you for listening, guys. Have a great day out there. RETROCENGO is gonna play Bram Stoker's Dracula right now. Bye.